We are yet again back in Las Vegas. This time we're trying to get a little off the strip and check out some things that we have never seen before, never done before here. First thing on the docket, stop and get some coffee. So we stopped at Public Works Coffee. They're a local coffee roaster here. Got a couple coffees. I've heard a lot of good things about this place, so we figured we'd stop and check it out, and it's Hemingway Park. If you've never been here before, it's about 20 minutes from the strip, and they're known for having bighorn sheep that just roam around the park. Figured why not stop, enjoy our coffees, look at some sheep, and it is beautiful here. So if you got some time to kill, definitely come out this way. It's quiet, there's nobody here, and you can look at the water. I can pretty much see Hoover Dam, maybe, I think.
If you're looking for a side of Vegas that's a little different, definitely come check it out.
We're gonna head towards Hoover Dam, and we'll see you in a minute. Made it to the Hoover Dam. Little tip, when you come here, you're gonna pass a parking garage. Don't pay at that parking garage, it's $10. If you pass it, go to the Arizona border. You're gonna drive over the dam, and then there are 3 free lots. Park at the free lots, you still get this great view, and then you can walk across the dam if you'd like to. This is only about 40 minutes outside of the strip of Las Vegas. Not as big as I thought it was gonna be. I don't know why, it's bigger in the movies, but I guess everything does. All right, I eat my words. We were looking at it from the shallow side of the dam. Once you walk over to the other side, it's actually pretty impressive and pretty big. And I'd tell you if it sucked, because typically tourist attraction stuff, it's not really my thing, but this is actually pretty cool. I think it's worth the drive out here. But with all that walking, definitely worked up an appetite, so time to find some food. A ridiculous spread. All right, so we got eggs, bean sprouts, a bunch of different mushrooms. I got fresh ramen noodles, an octopus ball just to try it, some corn, lotus root, a whole bunch of sauces, the bulgogi nachos, Korean fried chicken, seaweed salad.
Spider roll.
Oh, spider roll. Oh, the wet dream roll.
Wet dream.
Yeah. Then we got sukiyaki broth and the spicy signature broth. Yeah, this looks good. Can't see through the smoke. I lost my piece. I lost my meat.
Your meat or your ball?
My meat. See the ball floating. There's a meat in there somewhere. You can have it if you find it.
Okay.
Ribeye, short rib, and pork belly.
Okay.
And then can I throw in a spicy tuna roll and a rainbow roll? Yep. Thank you. I'm gonna eat this octopus ball. I don't know how that's gonna be. I don't think I'm gonna like it, but I'm gonna try it. It's just been bobbing around in here. I just don't like fish in ball form. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't care for that. Tapping out, I'm throwing in the towel. I can't do anymore. Well, there is dessert though, right? That might actually be the best thing I've had so far. Well, I'm sufficiently full. I'm gonna be honest, I had higher expectations. Think of that compared to the last one, the last all-you-can-eat buffet we went to here.
It was just okay.
It was just okay. Yeah, the sushi though, what I was really looking forward to, and it was like subpar. It was, I want to say grocery store level, but I think it was below grocery store level. A lot of like imitation crab meat and everything, sugary sauces. It seemed like a big selection, but it was all kind of the same stuff that all tastes the same. Quality of the meats was good for the shabu shabu. The broths were just okay. Sauce selection, fine. I think the vegetables were kind of lackluster. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed.
Same.
Kind of disappointed. Try it for yourself, see what you think. If you've had it, throw it in the comments. What did you think? Off to the next, I guess. It's finally 3 o'clock, so we can check into our hotel room, which is the only thing that I really like to do on the strip. You tend to get a nicer hotel. We're staying at the Bellagio, and I actually got this room for free by playing My Vegas, which is a slot game. I'll put this in the description, but this is one of the nicest hotel rooms I've ever stayed at in Vegas. Just for fun, let's play a little game called Guess the Minibar Prices. You at home, feel free to play. Drop it in the comments. What do you think the price is? Let's start with simple can of Coca-Cola. Ashley says $12. Is the actual price higher or lower than $12? Answer in the comments now. The actual price, $13.
I'm so good at that.
Ah, so close, so close. Moving on to something interesting. Snickers, shareable size, right over here. Lock in your guess. Ashley, Snickers bar guess?
$5.75.
$9 for a Snickers bar.
That's a king size, you lied.
Oh, okay. Well, it's a king size. One last and final round. Look at everything that this minibar has to offer. and tell me what you think is the most expensive thing in here. Is it the colossal pistachios, the Fiji water, the love kit? Is it the Grey Goose or the champagne?
I'm gonna go with this like weird jetpack thing. That's just like a robe.
Ooh, the jetpack?
Yeah, that's
the
it.
CBD kit?
CBD is not.
What do you guys think out there? Drop it in the comments. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. You're close with the CBD kit. The CBD kit comes in at $100 for a CBD sleep and immune system kit. 2 very small vials. The most expensive thing in here is the very small bottle of Hennessy, clocking in at $105. Thank you for playing. You've all been amazing. We didn't win today, but everyone goes home with something, and that's 1 free hit of the like button. For dinner, we heard about this funky place in Chinatown that combines Japanese with old school Italian. And like, if you look at the vibes, it's very old school Italian vibes. The menu, you start to see the Japanese influence. So we got the Italian spring rolls. Ooh, there's like cheese and basil on that stuff.
Uh-huh.
We also got the trio of bruschetta, which had octopus and cod roe, a grilled chicken, and Japanese mushroom salad. Then for our pasta course, it was meat and kanoke cream sauce. For dessert, might as well keep the Japanese theme going. We went to somi somi. It's soft serve inside of a Japanese taiyaki, which is like a Japanese waffle. You get to pick your toppings. They had a bunch of different flavors, and it was really good. Also wanted to throw in an honorable mention for ramen sora. We had this for lunch the next day. A lot of locals told us this is their favorite ramen spot. It had really springy, delicious noodles. The broth was amazing, and then the chashu was super tender. What was the name of the coffee place? On your cup.
Your turn.
No, I know the prices. I can't guess.
Yes, that makes sense.
But all that walking. Can of Modelo. 16 ounce can of Modelo. Regular old Modelo, 16 ounce can. You said $24?
Mm-hmm. Price of a case.
Actual price at the minibar is $15. Only $2 more than a Coca-Cola or Diet Coke.
That sounds about right.
It makes no sense at all.
No, I know,
A case of Coca-Cola is $12.
And we ordered two sushi rolls to start.
Sushi.
Two sushi rolls.